The communication with your customers is what drives your business. Whether you are sending one-to-one sales messages that you need to track and follow up on, marketing outreach to broad groups or distinct audiences, or transactional emails that the recipient is expecting to arrive fast and secure. These different types of communication are key to growing your business. But if they don't work together, you run the risk of damaging your brand reputation and missing out on sales. With ActiveCampaign, you can do all of this in one platform, securing your communications in one place and providing a seamless experience for your customers, no matter who is sending it. With your sales, marketing, and developer teams working out of the same platform, you can reduce silos and broken systems and ensure your business communicates using a unified brand, tone, and voice. And with our flexible platform, we make it possible for any business to design their messaging with ease. All of this can run through ActiveCampaign's powerful automations, making sure you communicate when and how you want, regardless of message type or how you choose to send it. Automate across SMS, email, landing pages, live chat, and more. And with our flexible plans, you can buy what you need to get started without having to pay for everything up front. Better relationships lead to happier customers and more revenue. With ActiveCampaign, you can align all of your communications to ensure a seamless experience for your customers, wherever they are.